Imagine driving a car that feels like it came straight out of the future. Well, the 2026 Lexus RZ might just be that car. Sleek design, cutting-edge tech, and a fully electric heart, this is Lexus stepping into tomorrow. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The RZ 2026 looks bold and futuristic, with sharp lines and a smooth, aerodynamic profile. The signature spindle grille has evolved into a more closed-off front, a clear statement that this is a true EV. The LED lighting gives it a clean, modern look, making it stand out both day and night. Step inside, and it feels more like a tech lounge than a car. Lexus went for a minimalist interior with premium materials everywhere. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with light, while ambient lighting sets the mood for every drive. And of course, the seats are heated, ventilated, and wrapped in eco-friendly materials. The RZ 2026 isn't just about looks, it's smart too. You get a massive touchscreen, next-gen voice control, and advanced driver assist systems. Lexus has also pushed the boundaries with a new steer-by-wire system, making the steering more responsive and precise. And yes, it supports over-the-air updates, so the car gets smarter over time. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the RZ 2026 runs on a fully electric powertrain. It delivers smooth acceleration, instant torque, and a whisper-quiet ride. Lexus promises an impressive range and ultra-fast charging, making it practical for everyday use, not just weekend trips. In short, the Lexus RZ 2026 feels like a glimpse into the future of luxury EVs. It's stylish, smart, and sustainable. Whether you're into cutting-edge tech or simply love elegant design, this car might just set the standard for what's coming next. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered car previews, and drop a comment below. Would you drive the Lexus RZ 2026? I'd love to hear your thoughts.